Hello, my child. Today, I want to speak to you about something that is not always easy, but is always powerful: forgiveness. I know there are moments in your life when you have been hurt, words spoken that cut deeply, actions that left wounds in your heart, situations that feel unfair and difficult to let go. And sometimes you carry that pain quietly. You remember it, you feel it again, you hold on to it because it feels justified. But my child, holding on to pain does not heal you. It binds you. Forgiveness is not about saying what happened was right. It is not about ignoring the hurt. It is about setting your heart free. When you refuse to forgive, you carry a weight that was never meant for you. It drains your peace. It steals your joy. It keeps your heart tied to the past. But when you choose to forgive, something begins to change. Not always around you, but within you. Peace begins to return. Light begins to enter, and your heart becomes free again. I know it is not easy. Even those who walked with me struggled to understand this. Why should I forgive again and again? They asked. And I told them, because mercy transforms the heart. Just as you seek forgiveness, you must also learn to give it. My child, you are not perfect, and neither are others. We all fall short. We all make mistakes, and this is why forgiveness is so important. It restores what anger destroys. It rebuilds what pride breaks. It heals what bitterness wounds. But listen carefully. Forgiveness does not mean you must stay where you are hurt. It does not mean you allow wrong to continue. You can forgive and still choose peace by walking away from harm. This is wisdom. This is strength. There is great power in a peaceful heart, a heart that does not seek revenge, a heart that does not hold grudges, a heart that trusts justice in my hands. When you release the need to repay hurt with hurt, you rise above it. You step into freedom. My child, if there is someone in your heart today that you struggle to forgive, bring that burden to me. Say, Lord, help me release this. Even if your forgiveness begins small, even if it feels incomplete, take that step. I will meet you there. And over time, your heart will become lighter, stronger, whole again. Remember this: forgiveness is not weakness. It is one of the greatest strengths you will ever carry. My child, choose freedom, choose peace, choose forgiveness, and let your heart be restored.